Hi, good morning, Vieira with the stockmarketlive.tv. Obviously today the news are focused on Valeant crash. Shares are down more than 45%. This is according to the forecast that I made available to investors last year in 2015 when I said that in my opinion shares they were not worth more than $37 an hour. Therefore in 2015 we announced a bubble in the biotech sector. We announced more than 50 stock picks for the crash. All of them they crashed. In Valeant had to be one more, downgrading shares to junk. We remind you that at stockmarketlive.tv we are the only company in the world with a junk rating in Valeant, and informing that the process in Valeant was going to be very similar to the one that I announced here, also live in Solar City, when I recommended to sell 1% of long position, if you had one, at $58 plus, reversing to the short side. So if you visit the blog of the company, I repeat, you find the full investment process along with several case studies, including all the calls in Valeant as well as Solar City and the other biotech stocks. We are going to review here the most recent one. If you had a long position in Valeant, when did you have to sell the stock in order to sell short the most, since shares couple of months ago they were trading above my upside target in Valeant. So I repeat, today you have $37 an hour. This is the price where shares they should have been trading last year in 2015, I repeat. And having said this, we are going to see precisely the video, the most recent, as well as to refer also to the fact that today shares they open at around $52 an hour. You had plenty of time to quadruple your short positions ahead of earnings, since those that they decided to invest or to subscribe to my investment plan in Valeant, I informed you to remain short the stock all the way down to the price target, the minimum $37 an hour. So we are going precisely here to see it, the most recent video on Valeant selling shares at the very top ahead of the crash. All right, ladies and gentlemen, you have here Valeant trading at 119.63 cents. You are going to sell 50% of your long position, all right? In regards to Solar City, if you wish, you can do the same. $50.74, 51 is perfectly fine, all right? So 50% on both cases, and on both cases you raise your trailing stops with regard to remaining positions on both companies, okay? And this is ahead of the Federal Reserve meeting, what they have to say, and I think this is the less risky strategy. And once again, congratulations to all of you, investors and subscribers to stockmarketlive.tv. I told you, you could become millionaires by investing following the guidance before the year's end and within 1 month. Thank you and good luck going into the meeting. And so as you could see, since $120 basically what the stock has been doing since then, according to our downgrade to junk, is to converge the share price to $37 an hour. That was the price announced last year in 2015, how much Valeant shares are worth. Therefore, once again, we proved to be the only company in the world 100% accurate with regards to how much Valeant shares they were worth, all right? So all this according to the plans, the step-by-step detailed investment process announced in the blog of the company with a clear junk rating ahead of the crash, the meltdown in Valeant, as it happened precisely with the case of Solar City and many other stocks. In the biotech stocks sector, as you are aware, the IBB, the case of Acadia Pharmaceuticals, the case of Orex, the case of Bluebird, the case of Aegis Pharmaceutical, and you find 50 stock picks for the meltdown in biotech stocks. Thank you. Bye.